Okay, so you guys could probably tell there's a little bit of a quality change on this video from my other videos. I just want a little bit of, if you want a little bit of an explanation, here it is. So I had somebody DM me on Instagram, and they were kind of just talking about, like, how can I start? I don't have a lot of money. I can't afford a nice camera. I don't have a phone. I can't do any of this kind of stuff. And I was like, okay, well, I have this camera, and it works, so I'm just gonna show you that you can use, not this dollar, but this camera was, see if you guys can see a reflection. Yeah, so we got my Nikon Coolpix. I think this camera's probably like as old as me. But this camera you can get for like $20-$30 off Amazon, sometimes even cheaper on eBay. I kind of just wanted to, once a week, probably going to do this, hopefully I'm going to do this once a week, where I just use this camera, or maybe even a different camera I'll use. I think it's going to be kind of fun to use different cameras throughout the weeks, kind of just showing you guys that, you don't need a big camera and a big, big tripod like this, and you don't need a ton of money, and you don't need all this kind of stuff. You don't need any of that kind of stuff to, start a YouTube channel. You don't need any of that kind of stuff to film. You don't need any of that stuff for podcasts. Now, yes, the quality with this microphone is going to be much different than the quality on this microphone, just because, well, there technically isn't a microphone built. There's one built into it, but that one, it's a little bit different. It might sound a little bit bad, it might not, but that's okay, This is for, yes, it's not the best quality of video, and it's not the best quality of audio. However, if you're just barely starting out and you don't have, 100,000 people watching, it doesn't really matter, you can start off with whatever. I'm also going to be doing like different editing softwares. Like I'm going to show you guys how to edit your videos on iMovie, which is a free app on your phone. I'm going to try to figure out something for Android users. I'm 95% sure there's something that you guys can use. I'm going to do free software on the computer, like cheap software on the computer, best software on the computer, like best cheap cameras, all this kind of good stuff. So right now, this setup, we have a little Joby. It's probably like this big. Yeah, it's like this big. It was like $10 at Walmart, and then this camera, I've had it forever. I think it was like $30 when I bought it, and that was like a long time ago, so it's probably cheaper now. But yeah, this is going to be a little bit of a series, just because somebody said, like, I don't feel confident enough, like, filming with, like, a junky camera, or I don't know which one to use. Hey, like, it doesn't matter which camera you want to use. You can use any kind of camera. You can use any kind of audio, any kind of anything. You could use your phone even. You can use anything. Hey, Casey Neistat, if you don't know who Casey Neistat is one of the top creators, top people. He's the one that pretty much created vlogging, like where you literally hold the Joby like this, and you hold the camera out like this. Like, Casey Neistat was the man that created all that kind of stuff. He started on his phone, and then he upgraded to one of these. So we're already one step above a phone, technically, because, well, back then he was on like an iPhone 4, which the camera quality wasn't that good. However, now the camera quality on this bad boy, this one, it shoots 1080p. The new ones shoot even more. I don't know what the Samsung shoot, but I know that they have a decent camera. Then there's like the Google phones and all this kind of good stuff. So yeah, I don't know how long these videos are gonna be. Hopefully we're gonna get a little bit of a vlog kind of style into them. But yeah, we're gonna see where that goes. So yeah, this is the first video with the different quality of camera and different audio, just to like show you guys that you can make a video with any kind of camera. The editing on this one is going to be the normal editing, just because I'm still figuring it out. But next episode, I can pretty much guarantee that I will have another different camera, different audio again. And again, this will only be one time a week, so like if you don't really want to watch these videos just because like you don't want the audio and everything to be messed up, that's okay. But yeah, so yeah, this is just, how to shoot your first YouTube video, pretty much. Yeah. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I have a little something coming up. I have a few packages on the way. Not like sales related or anything. This is gonna be, YouTube related. I think it's gonna be pretty fun. We're gonna be doing some giveaways and everything. I think it'll be super fun. Yeah. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, adios, homies. I hope you guys could see me. Hopefully you guys could see me.